Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to Pattay's Performance. Today in the driveway we have this landscaper used and abused owned Toro Timemaster. This is not my machine. Model number and serial number 20199, serial number 316004805. He broke the lever for the front wheel adjustment. So it is here for that. He needs this back ASAP because he uses this every day. While it was here, I checked the oil and it was non-existent. So maybe that was God's plan for him. And then when we're done, we'll just take a better look at this machine and see what it's like for wear and tear. To be honest with you, it's in pretty good shape. I thought the self-propelled wheels would be bold, but it is not. If you could see right here, this is broke. And I'm hoping that I could take the handle off of mine and use it on his. All right, so here's a close-up of the damage. I'm almost positive we can take this off without using, taking off the tire, but that's all right, the wheel. I'm sorry, I'm stuck in automotive mode. So we're gonna start by taking off the rim. Nope, that's a 9/16. And bam, here it is. Can it get any easier? Of course, separate size. Perfect. Let me go strip the other Toro. All right, so this is the wheel bearing that came off the rim. So let's just press that back in. Look, this rim is cracked. That's why. Surprise, surprise. Now, let's take our handle, this way. Let's make sure, yep, we can lock this in. Alrighty. Let's take our one nut. Falls right in that hole. And boom, we're locked into position. Now here's the thing, if you use this professionally, I think this is one of those things you keep in your inventory on hand to reduce downtime. Now, the handle is separate from the sheath. So I will have two links for the handle and the sheath. They do not come together. So this Toro is from 2019, so this is the 190cc model. And let's see what it looks like for commercially used and abused. I guarantee you this fuel tank's gonna leak. But honestly, not that bad. And look, those don't look like the factory atomic blades. They are not. Those look like, believe it or not, those look like Ballards. Those look like Rippers. I don't think those are Gators. The Gators, they don't have that much of an arc. But anyway, this is a really nice machine considering just the flap is ripped. I mean, stuff he doesn't care about. The deck is clean. I think I might just do him a solid and sharpen the blades while it's here and move it on to the next one. All right, guys, if you guys found this video helpful, good, bad, ugly, entertaining, I don't know why, it's short and sweet, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of Pattay's Performance. Later. Oh, wait. Actually, I'm going to make a library of all my Toro Timemaster videos because I have one of these. All the repairs that I've done and a few upgrades. All right? Later.